Open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are 2 push clips securing the filter housing. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the housing cover by sliding it to the right. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1173 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing up. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Reinstall the clips.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.